PA66-GF30 用在新能源车油海管连接器。In the battery cooling and thermal management systems of new energy vehicles NEVs, the manufacturing quality of fluid pipe connectors is directly related to operational safety and stability. The mainstream manufacturing material and process for these components involve injection molding using black glass fiber reinforced nylon. Material characteristics: PA66-GF30 is a high-performance engineering thermoplastic composite composed of PA66 matrix reinforced with 30% embedded glass fibers. This composition provides exceptional physical properties. High mechanical strength and rigidity. The 30% glass fiber addition significantly increases tensile strength and stiffness, allowing injection molded connectors to withstand high internal system pressures without gripping or deforming over time. Outstanding heat resistance. The material possesses a high heat deflection temperature, continuously withstanding elevated temperatures around the power battery and powertrain environment, typically reaching 130 degrees Celsius to 150. Excellent chemical resistance. It exhibits strong resistance to automotive fluids, including ethylene glycol coolants, battery electrolytes, engine oils, and road de-icing salts. Dimensional stability. Glass fibers effectively reduce the thermal expansion coefficient, ensuring precise geometry and tight seals under extreme temperature fluctuations. Lightweight advantage compared to traditional metals such as brass or aluminum. Plastic products significantly reduce body weight to help extend electric vehicle driving ranges. Suitability for NEVs. New energy vehicles demand strict electrical safety and fluid sealing standards, which PA66-GF30 directly addresses. Electrical insulation safety. High voltage systems are widespread in NEVs. Unlike metal connectors, PA66-GF30 is an electrical insulator, completely eliminating risks of electrical short circuits or electrochemical corrosion from stray currents. Hydrolysis resistance. NEV battery thermal management systems continuously circulate high-temperature water glycol coolants, engineered with strong hydrolysis resistance. The material prevents degradation when immersed in hot liquids long-term. Integrated complex molding. Injection molding allows designers to integrate complex flow channels, quick connect ports, and retention features into a single part, reducing component count, lowering leak risks, and improving production efficiency.